morning, Scots. I'm Kim.
Good morning, Scots. I'm Bree.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. Happy Friday. Thank you for everyone watching the show today.
Let's get into some announcements for today.
First, seniors. FAFSA workshop is happening next Thursday, February 29th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and Saturday, March 16th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. If you have any questions, ask your counselor ASAP.
AP students, the deadline is approaching. If you have a deposit on a test, remaining balance is due by today. The last day for any late order test is also today. Don't delay, get your payments in today.
This past Saturday, Highland competed in the 51st Annual Lee Web Math Field Day at CSUB. It was a long but fun day for the students. Sophia G. finishing 3rd JV individual, Noah S. placed 4th place overall varsity individual medley and 2nd place 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Diego D. placed 2nd place overall varsity individual medley. Imani J. placed 3rd place overall varsity individual medley, and honorable mention, Chalk Talk.
Now for a commercial break.
Listen up, Scots. If you want to see the full video of the career fair, go to our IG page at HHS_VideoPro. Now we're going with Ashira, who has some information about Plaid Points.
Hey Scots, if you have any Plaid points, be sure to come by the activities office at lunch to redeem them. Points expire at the end of this school year. Here are some of the items that you could get with your Plaid points. Teachers, give out some Plaid points to your students today when you have a chance. Plaid up.
Thank you, Ashira.
The wrestling team has some state qualifiers. Let's go with their sports team with the information.
What's going on, Scots? I'm Julian Medina.
Welcome to Sports. I'm Peter Parra.
The state qualifiers from the wrestling team are the following students.
Nick H. and Angel C. both placed 4th.
Daniel B. placed 7th during the CS Masters placement.
Vanessa A. placed 4th, and Monet C. placed 3rd.
Ways to go, Brianna, on winning the CS Masters tournament. She's a champion.
All 6 wrestlers are going to the state tournament.
Let's go with Sarah, who has the announcement about the Iron Man t-shirt.
Hey Scots, the Iron Man t-shirts will be available for purchase for those participating at the finance office. Today is the last day to purchase one.
Thank you, Sarah.
Students and staff members at Highland, the softball team is selling some gear that you could purchase today until February 25th.
The QR code will take you to the softball page that has a clickable link to see the gear available. Go support our Lady Scots.
The team's Vertical Raise campaign is also listed on the site. The Vertical Raise fundraiser helps maintain the program's expenses to a minimum while providing the softball program the latest equipment.
Let's go back with Kim and Bree.
Thank you for the segment.
That's it for us.
And always remember to
Plaid up!